In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail account sign-in. First, let's start by opening Gmail or navigating to gmail.com. You can do this by typing the web address directly into your browser's address bar. As the page loads, you will see a clean and simple interface welcoming you to Gmail. This is the first step toward accessing your emails, so make sure you're connected to the internet. Once the page fully loads, you're ready to move on. It's important to have a stable connection to avoid any interruptions during the sign-in process. Next, you will see a prominent button that says Sign In. Click on it to proceed. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the page. When you click on Sign In, the screen will change, presenting you with fields to enter your credentials. This action is crucial because it directs you to the area where you can input your Google account details. You'll feel a sense of progress as you move through these steps. Now, enter your Google email address, or if you prefer, your phone number linked to your Google account. Make sure you input the information correctly. This is vital because any mistakes here could lead to unsuccessful sign-in attempts. As you type, take a moment to double-check your entry before proceeding. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, move on to the next step confidently. After entering your email or phone number, click Next. This button is usually located directly beneath the input field. Clicking Next will take you to the next screen where you'll be prompted to enter your password. This step is important as it begins the authentication process for your account. You may notice a slight change in the page layout, indicating that you're moving to the next phase of signing in. Next, enter your password in the provided field. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so be careful with your capitalization. This step ensures that only you can access your account, keeping your information secure. After entering your password, click Next again. You may feel a little anxious at this point, but rest assured that you are almost there. If you have two-step verification enabled, you will be prompted to complete that process next. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or using an authentication app. Completing this step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you successfully enter the verification code, you will see the screen transition. This confirms that your identity has been verified, and you are one step closer to accessing your inbox. Finally, once all the previous steps are completed successfully, your Gmail inbox will open. Here you will find all your emails neatly organized. This is where you can manage your correspondence and stay connected. You've done it! By following these steps, you've successfully signed into your Gmail account. This process not only allows you to access your emails, but also ensures that your account remains secure. Congratulations! You now know how to enable Gmail account sign-in. This knowledge will help you navigate your Gmail with ease in the future. Thank you for following along, and happy emailing!